Good morning.
Good morning.
How are we all?
We're good, thanks.
You can't answer for the fans. No, we're leaving it in now.
Okay, fine, we'll leave it in.
It makes Gary look like a div.
Yeah, I'm a div anyway.
How are we all? We all right? Anyway, me and Gary today have got a different one. We're dismantling an old summer house for Tricia, and then we've got to take it away. So it should be an interesting one. Come along on our journey. Cheers.
Time to...
Last few wires.
Yeah, I've got to disconnect the light up there, take the wires out, through there.
Excuse me.
A little bit up on top of the door, and the whole circuit should come out.
Lovely. Perfect, mate.
That's all right. Standing by.
You're out coming outside, where are you?
I'm over here in the still shed.
What are you doing, Gaza?